He's teaching me how to cook, guys.
He sliced them. Boom.
Oh, that's how you make more chicken. Because I'm like, yo, he did not have a lot of chicken. Wow.
Oh, the bone. I hear it.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, so what are we doing first?
We use your best friend. This is your best friend.
Yes.
To get the flavor, okay?
Yes, okay.
Make sure your sink is clean, because if you a dirty bitch,
Oh,
like you
yeah.
can't do stuff like that.
Definitely gotta be clean.
So you gotta have a
I
clean
cleaned it.
sink.
I cleaned it.
Keep the sink clean.
I'll do the Larry's first, and then I use black pepper next.
Like, ingredients.
Okay, what is that? Is that onion powder?
This is garlic powder.
Garlic powder's next.
Eating too much honey down there.
So garlic powder, black pepper,
And then I use
sazon,
powder.
onion. Now you're using it. Okay, and Larry's seasoning. Larry's. That's how you say it. Larry's. Okay, Larry's. My mom uses it, but I just y'all don't take my black card. But yeah, okay. All right, we learning. Cause you know, if I give me a man, I gotta be able to cook for him. You feel me? Can't have a husband and you can't cook, cause ain't nobody trying to go to Boston Market every night. That's not it. So this is that song that Cardi B talking about, right?
Put a wipe on ice on.
Might turn g-eazy out. You feel me?
And then last, I like to use crushed red peppers.
Crushed red peppers, y'all. So you're putting he's putting, and then he takes the chicken and mixes it. Oh, wow. And wait, too much is happening. What is this?
This is breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs. All
Like
right.
just a little bit extra crispy.
Okay, so this one has the crisp, the breadcrumbs and the flour. I know about this. I just don't do it myself, but I'm about to start.
Oh. Don't forget to mix it up. I forgot.
Oh, okay. So you mix it up. So I think doing it in a bowl for me would be better because, I'm all about the spices and the seasonings. But yeah. I've seen it done in a brown paper bag.
I don't have enough.
Or my mom does it my mom's bougie, so she do it in Ziploc bags, but
I was gonna do it in a Ziploc bag, but I didn't feel like washing one out.
yeah. She does the same. Do you guys wash out your Ziploc bags? Like, this is like a real thing. Like, I hate washing them out.
I mean, if I only got like 3 left, yeah.
But it's like I'd rather be like, Mom, I'll buy you new ones. But like,
Where you gonna buy new ones at 11 o'clock?
true. It is all right. So it's time.
Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
I just keep satisfied through the week. All right. So now we going. Oh, okay. So you want to take some of the. So he already fried chicken before. That's why the oil looks like that.
You know what? Fuck it.
Yeah, just leave it. It's fine. It's from the same chicken. We good. So yeah, he fried chicken earlier, but we eat all that. We need to be hotter. Alright, so waiting for the oil to get mad. Okay. Ooh, sizzle. Ooh, okay, so gotta sizzle like that.
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, so I kind of get the concept, but like, just so my future husband knows, I'm learning. My mom taught me how to cook baked macaroni and cheese. this Thanksgiving, so it's lit. You know, I could do a little something myself too. You know, pretty good. I'm not like the worst cooker in the world, but I need to build my skills up. So my friends are helping me.
There she is.
So how long did you take before you
I don't
took it
fucking
out?
know.
All right. Did you ever flip it?
Yeah.
Okay. So you kind of just watch it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't have any of this. This is for the others.
Okay.
Y'all can have one each.
Okay. Hey guys, I hope you had as much fun watching me learn how to make fried chicken as I did while I was actually learning how to make fried chicken. I hope you enjoy this new segment that I have called Wifey Lessons. It's basically my journey from becoming like a low-key wifey to a certified wifey. You feel me? But I hope you will enjoy this segment, and thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. See you in my next one.